Hey there, smile enthusiasts! Brushing your teeth has never been smarter, sleeker, or more effective than in 2025. Whether you want cutting-edge AI tracking, luxurious designs, or eco-friendly options, this list of the top 5 electric toothbrushes has got something for everyone. Let's get into it and find the perfect toothbrush to upgrade your dental game. Starting strong, the Oral-B I/O Series 10 redefines what a toothbrush can do. Equipped with magnetic I/O technology, it generates micro vibrations that give you a deep clean without damaging your enamel or irritating gums. The AI brushing assistant, accessible via the Oral-B app, tracks your brushing in real time, ensuring you never miss a spot. With 7 smart brushing modes, including whitening, gum care, and sensitive, it tailors your experience to your oral health needs. The I/O Sense display acts like a personal coach, guiding you for the perfect 2-minute brushing session. It even comes with a stylish travel case that charges your toothbrush on the go. If you're looking for a toothbrush that's as luxurious as it is effective, the Oral-B I/O Series 10 is your go-to. If you're looking for something simple yet powerful, the Soocas NEOS II delivers professional-level cleaning at an affordable price. Using high-frequency sonic technology, it produces up to 39,000 vibrations per minute, effectively lifting plaque and brightening your smile. Its 3 brushing modes, clean, sensitive, and massage, ensure a gentle yet thorough experience for every type of user. What makes the NEOS II stand out is its impressive 100-day battery life on a single charge, a dream for frequent travelers. With its USB-C charging port, recharging is as convenient as it gets. The ultra-thin brush head reaches every nook and cranny, while the lightweight, waterproof design makes it a breeze to use. The Soocas NEOS II shows that great performance doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Taking luxury and functionality to new heights, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean 9700 offers a professional-grade cleaning experience. Its 62,000 brush movements per minute help remove up to 10x more plaque compared to manual brushing. And the 5 brushing modes plus 3 intensity levels ensure your oral health routine is fully personalized. The smart touchscreen handle makes switching modes and intensities intuitive, while the Sonicare app provides real-time brushing guidance, ensuring you hit every corner of your mouth. A highlight is the UV sanitizer, which eliminates bacteria on brush heads, ensuring every session is hygienic. The toothbrush comes with a chic charging glass and a luxury travel case with built-in charging capabilities, making it a top pick for those who love elegance and efficiency. If brushing feels like a chore, the DiamondClean 9700 turns it into a treat. For eco-conscious users, the SURI Sonic toothbrush is a game-changer, offering sustainable solutions without compromising performance. Crafted with recyclable materials, it minimizes waste while maximizing effectiveness. The magnetic sonic motor delivers 33,000 vibrations per minute, ensuring a deep clean that's gentle on gums. With 2 brushing modes and a built-in quad pacer timer, it ensures every section of your mouth gets the care it deserves. Its wireless charging case, which doubles as a UV sanitizer, keeps your toothbrush and brush heads hygienic. The slim, minimalist design is perfect for modern users, and its commitment to sustainability makes it a top choice for those who care about the planet as much as their oral health. The SURI Sonic toothbrush proves that great design and eco-friendly practices can go hand in hand. Closing out the list is the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush, a perfect blend of style, technology, and affordability. Featuring advanced sonic technology, it produces up to 40,000 vibrations per minute, tackling plaque and stains effortlessly. The intelligent pressure sensor ensures you're not brushing too hard, protecting your gums from damage. Its 5 brushing modes, including clean, white, and gum care, cater to a variety of needs, making it suitable for everyone. The 90-day battery life is a standout feature, and its USB-C compact charging case makes it travel-ready. With its ergonomic handle, waterproof design, and sleek, modern look, the Laifen Wave is perfect for anyone who values both aesthetics and performance. And that's our list of the best electric toothbrushes of 2025. From the high-tech Oral-B I/O Series 10 to the eco-friendly SURI Sonic toothbrush, there's something here for every need and lifestyle. Ready to upgrade your dental routine? Check the links below and let us know in the comments which toothbrush you're choosing to keep your smile brighter than ever.